Here is a list of top 10 most valuable companies in the world according to market capitalization. So let's get on. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and like this video because you will forget at the end. So let's get on. Number 10, Johnson & Johnson. Market capitalization $395 billion. Johnson & Johnson is an American multinational company producing pharmaceutical and consumer products. The company was founded by three brothers, Robert Wood Johnson, James Wood Johnson and Edward Mead Johnson in 1886 originally. The brothers produced bandages and plasters. Later, they produced baby powder as well. About 250 affiliate companies located in 60 countries and selling them more than 175 countries are part of the corporation. The company is headquartered in New Brunswick, New Jersey, USA. Number 9, Berkshire Hathaway. Market cap $455 billion. The company is known for its permanent owner, an American investor and an entrepreneur, Warren Buffett. The company is headquartered in Omaha, Nebraska. Its share price of $344,970 that makes world's most expensive stock. Number 8, Tencent. Market cap $510 billion. Products: social networking, instant messaging, mass media, web portals. Tencent is a venture company and conglomerate, an investment holding, and one of the largest companies in the game industry. The Chinese giant, founded in 1998, occupies the 9th position in the ranking of most expensive companies worldwide. Its service includes social networks, mobile games, music, web portals, payment systems, e-commerce, internet services, smartphones, and multiplayer online games. The headquarters of Tencent Saffron Towers is in Nanshan District, Shenzhen. Number 7, Alibaba Group. Market cap $545 billion. The Alibaba company is one of the biggest virtual trading platforms in China, the world, attracting the attention of buyers by both affordable prices and a wide range of goods presented. Founded on April 4, 1999, the company provides consumer and business services through the web portals as well as electronic payment services, a search system for customers, and cloud computing. The headquarters is in Hangzhou, China. Number 6, Facebook. Facebook was developed by Mark Zuckerberg in February 2004. The Facebook social networking is currently visited by more than 2 billion people every day, and the market value of $584 billion is simply an astronomical indicator of popularity for an internet project. Today, Facebook yields more than 22 billion net profit due to online advertising. Moreover, the company is leader in this top 10 list in terms of profitability. Facebook is headquartered in Menlo Park, California, USA. Number 5, Alphabet Corporation. Market cap $919 billion. Google, the internationally famous internet company, recently changed its official name to Alphabet because the company was out of the scope of Google search engine long ago, and now it owns plenty of other companies as well. Sergey Brin and Larry Page, who jointly created a mega company in 1998, are the heads of Internet Holding. More than 30 popular services and sub-companies are the part of Holding. AdWords, Android, YouTube, to name a few. Google is headquartered in California. Number 4, Amazon Corporation. Market cap $1.23 trillion. On July 7, 2019, Amazon became the most expensive company in the world for the first time, overtaking its competitor Microsoft. Today, it ranks 4th in the list of most valuable companies. Amazon is an American retail company that sells and delivers various goods over on the internet. Internet users, suppliers, and producers can sell any goods on their own by using Amazon website as an online menu. The company's major business line is selling various the popularity of services sold thanks to high quality goods, low prices, prompt delivery, and a wide assortment. The company was established in 1944 by Jeff Bezos. Amazon is headquartered in Seattle, Washington, USA. According to overall estimates, the company employs about 6,47,500 and has more than 162 billion in asset at this given moment. Number 3. Apple. Market cap $1.28 trillion. For a long time, Apple was the most valuable company in the world, but due to its situation with disappointing iPhone sales, it lost its primacy. Yet the situation is much better now. The company is winning its position back. Today, Apple is the third in terms of market capitalization. At the same time, the company continues to occupy the first position at the most expensive brand list. Today, the company's logo is recognized by the many people as Apple become truly the most successful brand. Its value estimated is $1.28 trillion by export from rating agencies. The company was established on 1 April 1976 by Steve Wozniak, Ronald Bell, Microsoft. Market cap $1.3 trillion. The second most valuable country in the world is Microsoft. The internationally famous company was founded by 1975 by Bill Gates, who is one of the richest men in the world by now. At the time, Microsoft was the first software developer that suggested using packaged software for home computers that would be thereby make PC experience user-friendly and intuitive. This software, the Microsoft Windows operating system, was a real breakthrough since it allowed ordinary users to make master PC skills easily. The system brought the company an incredible success and huge profits. Today, Microsoft is one of the leading companies in the PC software market. And number 1, guys, Saudi Aramco. Market cap $1.6 trillion. The successful issue of share on the stock exchange, Saudi Aramco became the most expensive company in the world. It has officially published its financial statements first in 2019. Shortly after the release of the shares of Tadawul Stock Exchange, the company's value almost reached $1.9 trillion. The oil giant has exceeded all expectations with all issued shares. Its IPO is considered one of the most successful in history. They say that Saudi Aramco is going through to use almost all profit for various mergers, purchases, and expansion of its influence in the world. In particular, the company intends to become a leader in the production of liquefied natural gas. Today, Saudi Aramco is considered one of the world's leader in oil production and reserves. SA already has branches subsidiary in China, Japan, Russia, United States, America, the US, Great Britain, and other countries. The company also collaborates with Lukoil, Royal Dutch Shell, Total SA, Sinopec, and others. Today, the company is owned by Saudi Arabian government. The main office is located in Dhahran. So that's a wrap on today's video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel and help me grow. Like this video to appreciate me. Thank you so much. Peace out.